on the other side of the world, elephants parade, and 1 million believers jam the streets of Puri in northeast India for the great religious jagannath ceremony. The Raja of Puri, ruler of the ancient dynasty, leaves his palace and sets out for the temple rites. The Juggernaut, towering symbol of ancient times when the faithful hurled themselves beneath its wheels, seeking death under a carriage believed holy. But today, the huge vehicle serves a peaceful end as an impressive symbol of a faith rooted in history.
The mighty temple of Jagannath, or Vishnu, the Hindu god, is the center of the famous car festival at Puri in the province of Bengal. Every year, the ceremony of drawing the god from the temple to his country house takes place amid scenes of great religious fervor, with much singing and dancing and beating of tom-toms, and huge crowds of pilgrims assemble in the town. As the festival cars move in slow procession, attendants and musicians on the staging round the images keep up a continuous chant. And thousands of worshippers vie with each other for the honor of dragging the god part of the mile. That's the extent of his triumphal journey.
Jagannath, god of the people, takes his annual ride from the 1600-year-old temple at Puri, Odisha, to his country house outside the village, pulled by thousands of devout Hindus. Behind the giant car, which is his throne, other cars carry Jagannath's brother and sister, his companions on the journey. Several days are needed to pull the car to its destination, for although it is only a mile away, most of the route is deep sand. According to legend, pilgrims used to fling themselves under the wheels as a living sacrifice. But Hindus point out that this would be sacrilege, for the festival is sacred to Vishnu, the preserver. Enough for them the blessing which comes from taking part in this strenuous tribute to the god of the people.
The earth. Once a year when they celebrate his festival and draw his shrine through the streets, it's the beat of Indian drums and the monotonous chant of Indian voices.